Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You try to get out of bed, but your legs just won't cooperate. Your arms tremble, weak, as if they belong to someone else. You call for help, but no one's around. This nightmare isn't fiction, it's the reality for millions of seniors right now as you watch this video. And here's the gut punch. This could happen to you. Yes, you. Silently, without warning, your muscles are vanishing, stealing your independence, your freedom, your life. And the worst part? No one's telling you the truth. Until now. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to reveal a secret that doctors hide, that Big Pharma hates, and that can transform you from a prisoner of weakness into a warrior of vitality, even at 70, 80, or 90 years old. Groundbreaking research from Harvard and other scientific powerhouses has discovered that certain foods, yes, foods, can not only stop this muscle destruction, but rebuild what you thought was lost forever. And the most shocking part? The number. One food, the king of this list, is something you probably don't have in your kitchen right now, and it humiliated expensive drugs in clinical trials. Stick with me until the end, because this revelation will make your heart race and your mind explode. Ready to get started? Let's call the enemy by its name, Sarcopenia. Sounds like a monster from a horror movie, doesn't it? And that's exactly what it is. A silent thief that invades your body after 60, devouring your muscles while you sleep. Studies show that every year after 50, you lose up to 2% of your muscle mass. Do the math. By 70, you might have already thrown away 20% of what keeps you standing. And the result? Falls, fractures, wheelchairs, nursing homes packed with people who were once like you, strong, independent, alive. But here's what makes me furious. Doctors know this. Big Pharma knows this. And what do they offer? Expensive pills that barely scratch the surface, or vague advice like, just exercise. Meanwhile, every minute 38 seniors are hospitalized for issues that could have been prevented. That's not fair. You deserve better. And I'm going to give you better. A secret. Weapon that's right under their noses in nature, waiting to save you. Because here's the good news. Cutting-edge scientists have discovered that certain foods have magical compounds. Yes, magical, that ignite a fire in your muscles, even when time tries to snuff them out. And I'm going to walk you through this list, from number 10 all the way to the game-changing champion, the food that's rewriting the rules. But first, a promise. You don't need to be a science genius to get this. I'll break it all down like we're just chatting as friends, because that's what we are now. Ready? Let's dive in. 10. Lean beef. Coming in at number 10, we've got lean beef. The protein king that vegans love to hate, but your muscles are begging for. A 4-ounce serving gives you 25 grams of pure protein, plus a superpower called leucine. Think of it as the on switch for your muscles. Studies from McMaster University prove it. Seniors who eat lean beef alongside exercise gain strength like they're turning back the clock. Go for cuts like sirloin or round twice a week and watch the magic happen. Bonus tip. Grass-fed beef has omega-3s that calm inflammation. Who knew a steak could be your shield? 9. Whey protein. Climbing to number 9. Whey protein, the champions. Powder that seniors are sleeping on. It's got more leucine than any natural food, and your body absorbs it like a rocket. One study found that seniors taking 20 grams a day kept 40% more muscle than those who didn't. Mix it with water or toss it in a smoothie. In 30 minutes, your muscles are dancing with joy. Watch out for sugary versions. Grab the pure, real stuff. Lactose intolerant? There's hydrolyzed whey for you. This is power in a scoop. Fatty fish. We've reached number 8. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, the fatty fish that are like lubricating oil for your muscles. The omega-3s in them reduce the inflammation that eats away at your muscles, and 20 grams of protein per serving build you back up. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition says 2 servings a week can slash muscle loss over the years. No time to cook. Fish oil supplements help, but fresh fish is king. Your muscles will thank you with every bite. 7. Nuts and seeds. At number 7, nuts and seeds. Tiny energy bombs that seem harmless but pack a punch. Almonds give you magnesium to prevent cramps, while pumpkin seeds bring zinc to keep your muscle-building hormones alive. A handful a day, and your muscles gain an antioxidant shield. Just don't overdo it. They're calorie-dense. No salt, please, if your heart's sensitive. Simple, yet powerful. 6. Beans and legumes. Halfway there, number 6. Beans and legumes, the unsung heroes. One cooked cup has 15 grams of protein and fiber that stabilize your blood sugar, stopping your muscles from becoming your body's fuel. Tufts University says those who eat beans 4 times a week keep their muscles longer. Start slow to avoid gas and rinse canned ones to cut the sodium. Soup, salad, or straight up. It's gold for your body. 5. Eggs now, number 5. Eggs, the perfect food that doctors tried to demonize for years. One large egg has 6 grams of protein, and the secret's in the yolk, packed with vitamin D and choline to supercharge your muscles. A University of Illinois study showed whole eggs after exercise build 40% more muscle than just whites. Up to 7 a week, totally safe. Hard-boiled, they're ready-to-go snacks for any time. Cheap, easy, and a knockout punch to sarcopenia. 4. Olive oil climbing to number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. The golden elixir the Mediterraneans have guarded for centuries. It's not a protein, but its anti-inflammatory compounds stop muscle destruction at the root. A study from the Pre-Dimed project showed those who use olive oil daily have stronger muscles after 5 years. 2 tablespoons a day on salads or veggies. It's like giving your muscles a warm hug. Fresh in a dark bottle, it's the secret to longevity. 3. Berries top 3. Number 3. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, the berries that look sweet but fight like warriors. Antioxidants in them protect your muscles from the cruel effects of aging. Tufts University proved it. Blueberries improve strength and recovery in seniors. 1 cup a day, and you're fighting back against time. Fresh or frozen, they're your secret ace. 2. Leafy greens, almost there. Number 2. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. The leafy greens you've ignored your whole life. Nitrates in them turn into nitric oxide, boosting blood flow to your muscles. A 2015 study says, more vitamin K, less muscle loss. 2 cups a day, and your muscles breathe easy. Raw or cooked, they're the fuel of youth. Greek yogurt, and the number 1. Get ready to have your mind blown. Greek yogurt, not the regular stuff, but pure Greek yogurt strained until it's a protein monster. 20 grams per 6-ounce serving. The casein in it releases amino acids slowly, protecting your muscles while you sleep. Probiotics supercharge your gut, and calcium strengthens your bones and muscles. Studies show seniors who eat Greek yogurt gain strength without even stepping foot in a gym. Have it before bed, plain or with fruit, and say goodbye to weakness. This is the king that doctors don't want you to know about. You've just discovered the 10 foods that can save your muscles and your life. But here's a hard truth. Why aren't doctors shouting this from the rooftops? Because it doesn't make money like pills do. The reality is, you don't need them. You've got the power now. Lean beef, whey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, every bite is a strike against sarcopenia. This isn't just about muscles, it's about getting off the couch, playing with your grandkids, truly living. But a word of caution, not everyone can eat all of these. Allergic to dairy? Skip the whey. Fragile kidneys? Talk to a doctor before. Going heavy on protein? Now it's your turn. Which of these are you already eating? Have you noticed a difference? Share in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Like, subscribe, and let's fight this battle against time together. You're not alone, we've got this.